Don't pick up the phone, you know he's only calling 'cause he's drunk and alone too. Don't let him in, you I said kick him out again free. Don't be afraid, you know you're gonna wake up in his bed in the morning.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everybody, we are from class 11 of Hidayatullah High School. This is time we will discuss how to use a washing machine. Our first, prepare the clothes. Then load the washer. Someone add detergent. After that, select program. Then start the cycle. Then wait for the cycle to finish. After that, transfer to dryer. Finish it. See you.